My name is Alexis Childreno Pailavado. I'm 19 years old and I study biomedical engineering in the Technological University of Peru. Um, I'm cursing my fourth semester. On my last vacations, I spent time with my friends. I'm I'm I watch the movies with my friends. Um, I visit something interesting place with my family. I play video games with my girlfriend. Um, in this semester, I going study because my courses are more challenging. Um, I also going to organize my time better and complete my assignments. I going work hard and learn new things because I want to become a good biomedical engineer.